When the diary of Johann Borgia was discovered, people were shocked to learn about a controversial banquet hosted by Cesare Borgia in 1501 called the Banquet of the Chestnuts. It was attended by Pope Alexander VI, Lucrezia Borgia, high-ranking clergymen, and influential nobles. Also, 50 courtesans were brought in to entertain the guests. What makes this banquet controversial is that after the dinner feast, they played a game called the Chestnut Game, where the courtesans crawled on all fours to collect chestnuts scattered across the floor in a sexualized manner. The guests also made sexual advances towards the courtesans and ordered them to perform various sexual acts. However, many believe that the details about the banquet was exaggerated and even fabricated because the Borgias were a highly controversial family at that time, and these stories were spread by their rivals to discredit the Borgia family.